How to check copyright video before uploading on YouTube. So you want to check if there is any copyrighted material on your video before uploading them on YouTube. Then this video is actually going to be helpful to you. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, do it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in order to be the first to get notified whenever I upload every videos like this. So the first step you need to take is to go to your device, either on your PC or on your mobile device, and log into your YouTube Studio web version like this. Right here on your YouTube Studio web version, it is preferable to do this check on your YouTube Studio web browser than doing it on the YouTube app itself. So on your YouTube Studio web browser, you can go ahead and click on create. You can see that at the top right corner of your screen. So when you click on that, you need to go ahead and click on upload video. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on select file like this. Then go to where you can actually see the video you want to upload on YouTube. Here you need to go ahead and add the title and the description. So looking right here, as you can see here on the screen, it says here check. You can see that error on this check button right here, which actually means that this video have some copyright material on it. Now if the check right here actually show a tick showing that it is okay, then you can go ahead and upload the video. But if it is showing something like this, checks like this, then you need to go ahead and abort the video. So this is how simple it is to check copyright video before uploading on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell in order to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.